Bud bloomers are a class of heather where the flowers don't open, but you benefit because the color is there for months on end. Today we're going to show you 5 perennial combos using bud bloomers that you can use in containers or in ground. We're going to start off with Calluna Amanda, pair it up with Balmy Purple Bee Balm. I love the highlights you see in the Amanda, the little bit of white in the tips, it really contrasts well with the Monarda. Calluna Enid has beautiful gold foliage and pure white blooms, and when you pair it with Euphorbia Ascot Rainbow, they really complement each other. Come winter though, the Ascot Rainbow is going to turn a vibrant red and you get a great contrast. The bubblegum pink flowers of pink Alicia are a great pairing with this tiny Tortuga turtle head. You can see together it makes a great pink monochromatic display. For you Alba garden lovers, we're going to pair up Gaura Graceful White with Calluna Alicia to give you a perfect white garden display that's going to literally gleam in the moonlight. Here's a brand new Japanese anemone with double flowers called Puff Pink, and we're going to pair it up with Athene to give you something really elegant for the autumn garden.